Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I was about to make another video, and then yeah, alarms start to pop up, and then what's going on? And then yeah, I got a showers of alarms, and I went to check Bitcoin. Well, big news, it's dropping. So now let's recap where we are. So I can count 5 wave down, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This would complete the wave A. Now the dilemma I have is like either this was already an A, a B, and a C, and we already completed the wave B, but it's not my favorite count because it's kind of short. But on the other hand, this is the fib retracement of the wave A, and anywhere here it's okay for a wave B to go, and we did go to the 0.5, so technically we're good. So now the question is the B wave finished or not? And Fibonacci and Elliott waves for the moment, they're not helping. They're not helping, and we need to, well, they are, but technically this is a wave B. It did met the criteria. I kind of see a 3 wave up. Okay. Yeah, so now it's like what to do. Well, pretty much easy now. If we do micro counting again of this B wave, if this was the wave A and this is the wave B, it should, and once again, wave B are kind of hard to gauge. So, but I would say if we go below 62,000, then I believe this is going to be a direct correction directly to the wave C, and then this would have been the A, this indeed would have been the B, and we're completing the C. So now, I honestly, instead of going here, but okay, fine, let me be honest. I would rather, sorry for to say the expression, suck it up and have a nice corrective movement and get some more pain and go here, make a very nice higher B wave, maybe reaching 69,000. Maybe also weak out all the people that are shorting, and weak out the people that are long after that, and then we do 5 wave down. We make a lower low. Everybody's happy. I'm happy, and I can make very nice alt shopping discount once again with better deal. If we go higher, definitely I'm going to pay attention of the structure of that C wave, of the B wave, and more likely I'm going to migrate out from Bitcoin and Ethereum a little bit more and scale in when we're going to have, if we're going to have that deeper corrective movement. So now I'm going to say that, for sure, it's easy to say, pretty straightforward. If we make a new lower low, a local lower low, I'm going to go for the straight corrective movement to the wave down, and this, it's already the wave C. Now, I'm looking honestly at this 0.786 fib retracement here. If we see some sign of price action and that price is reacting to this level and bounce back, then yeah, then it's going to be my first sign that we more likely this now was the end of the B wave, and we're going to do the C wave of the B wave. Hopefully I'm not mixing up and you're following. I know if we are not comfortable with Elliott waves, maybe at the beginning it's like, what the hell is this talking about? But don't worry, the more you listen, it's going to get in eventually. And yeah, so once again, I'm going to put here, maybe should I put another alarm? I don't know, I'm having showers of alarms. And just to be a little bit fair, because I am sharing my trades, and after that you decide if you want to get in or not. You do your own diligence. but I'm going to share also the trades that they're not going well, and yeah, so I want to do that now. Let me just put this alarm so I can get out that from my mount. New lower low. Okay, so I'm having I'm trying to be honest with myself. Am I having, you know, revenge trade with Arbitrum? Like I'm losing quite of a bit, like easily $200-300, and I honestly thought here was the deep, and then I got some on my first rebound here, and now like yeah, I'm down. I'm down, and then I'm like, okay, but fine. The price honestly should hold here, and I know I put sell stop limit, and I say it, I put alarms, but then at the end I was like, I'm not going to sell now because this is the MA50. The 1-to-1 ratio for the wave A to wave C was here, so I'm going to suck it up. But at one certain point, we need to let it go also. So this is my deadline of being unreasonable, and after that I will have to let it go. And this is part of the process also. So this was the third wave. I know maybe we don't see clearly. That was the third wave. Then I was, okay, this is the A, we did the B, and we're doing the C now. And you can see that, you know, this was the fourth wave, but now it started to be invalidated. But then I was, okay, this is like acting, was not, actually is not a great chart. And yeah, I saw the potential for Arweave. This is a new coin. Then I was excited with the price discovery. Let me put it on a daily, maybe I can see better. And then so I was looking for, you know, $3.50. So that was 100% easy gain. He had momentum. And honestly, when I look back, you know, it wasn't a good move. We were kind of still far from, well, we can call that a momentum line, right? And now here it's a good level. And because we're kind of doing, you know, a diagonal, so we did the A, B, C for the wave 1, we did the wave 2, and then this is now the A, B, C for the wave 3, and now we're doing this correction. So it would make sense to scale in here or at this level here. As you can see, I already put an alarm before, but then when I saw here, I thought, okay, this is done. Okay, we had an A, ABC for B, and then we had I thought here we were going. And because Bitcoin was going up, you know, it got dragged up, and I thought we're going. Also here we did reach the 0.618, so it was great, and everything I did, it was kind of okay at the end, right? I don't see something wrong, but yeah, diagonal are not that trustable, and look at here, it wasn't done with the correction, and now I do find that, you know, the ideal entry point is going to be here. So I need to brace myself for a $1.40. Now the smart thing would have been to, when it start to do that, you know, when it start to break the downtrend, I should have just get out from that and maybe start to short, because, you know, it is the diagonal, and if we are not done, for sure we're going to go back to this, well, not for sure, but, you know, chances are very high that we're going to go and meet up that momentum line, and more likely, since it's not that far, possibly even the MA 200. All right, so this is just to share my trades. I'm not a genius, and this is part of trading. We are going to lose some trades as well, so we need to focus. Now the question is, yeah, if Bitcoin reached, I don't know, 59 or 56, 58,000, then it would be crazy to sell, right? Because I know that's going to be the dip, and after that it's going to skyrocket. So this is the dilemma. So now I'm between both. and I should have got out here earlier. And as you can see, I did put an uptrend line here, and when it broke, that was the first signal that this wasn't going to work. But yeah, that's the problem with so many alarms, so many coins. I think I had too many trades at the same time. I had like 25 trades at the same time. That's way too much. For sure, I have short term, mid term, long term, but when you are expecting for a corrective movement, then it's time to take your profits, close the longs. Maybe possibly, I wouldn't do that because we're in a bull market. I'm not going to do any shorts, but some people do. But just to clarify things, when you feel that there is a correction, you get rid of your loser, which I did yesterday. Actually, I was kind of, if you do a few dollars or a few $100, it's not worth it, because if you know that maybe there is a dip, then you lose your profit on top of that, so it doesn't make sense. So it's since 3, 4, 5 days, when I did tell you I feel that now we're kind of ready to have a dip, then I start to close them. But yeah, this one, it just kind of forgot about it, even if it was there, and then it was okay, but it's okay. I think I didn't go really and check the chart. I don't know how, because I am pretty much all the time on the chart, but this one, I don't know how many times it just got away. Anyway, so just to be fair, and I'm not always 100% successful, and that's okay, but it's the average. And when you have some losing trades, you need to study them, put some self-stop limit, or put alarms, and then you decide what you're going to do. For the moment, I'm keeping it, but definitely if it goes below 140, then I'm going to get rid of it. Also, yeah, I could short it now, but yeah, then after that, maybe you forgot about it. Hopefully not, but and then you start to reverse, and then you continue losing money. So there you go for this. Okay, so pretty much all for Bitcoin, which was supposed to be the video, but now it became also Arbitrum and my losing trade. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned something, or I reminded you something, that good strategy and risk management, it's key, because you can have 18 winning trades, but the one that you forget will slip away from you, then maybe you wipe out all the wins of your 18 good trades. So that's the key. Always have a nice defense, nice goaler. Don't let them score you. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.